Let me show you how to make these juicy air fryer chicken drumsticks. This recipe is quick, easy, and packed with flavor. First, take 6 chicken drumsticks because that is all I can fit into my air fryer basket later without overcrowding the basket. And I still want the chicken to cook in one batch. Then, pour a little white vinegar over the chicken drumsticks and wash them well to help freshen them up. Get rid of that raw chicken smell and clean off that slippery feel they can sometimes have on the outside. Then, pat the chicken drumsticks dry really well with a kitchen towel so there is not too much water left on the outside, because if the chicken is too wet, the seasoning will not sit on it as nicely. Next, I like to cut a few shallow slits into the chicken drumsticks. This helps the seasoning get into the meat a little better and gives the chicken more flavor all the way through. Next, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika over the chicken drumsticks. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of onion powder. After that, add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then finish with 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Now, use your hand to rub the seasoning all over the chicken drumsticks really well. Make sure you get into all the little cuts and coat every part evenly. Keep rubbing until the chicken drumsticks are well covered and the seasoning is spread evenly all over. Next, pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra light olive oil over the chicken drumsticks. I like to add the oil at this point because it helps the outside brown better in the air fryer and gives the chicken a nicer finish as it cooks. Once the oil is in, go in and rub everything together again so the chicken drumsticks are evenly coated all over. Now, place the chicken drumsticks in your air fryer basket in a single layer. Try not to stack them on top of each other so the air can move around them properly while they cook. If your basket is on the smaller side, this is why 6 chicken drumsticks work well for me. Air fry the chicken drumsticks in a preheated air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, turning them over halfway through. These chicken drumsticks have a warm taste with a little smokiness and a gentle kick from the spices. They are so juicy with tender meat that pulls away easily as you eat. If you like these chicken drumsticks, you should also check out how I make these extra crispy air fryer chicken wings here. I'll show you the one ingredient that makes them turn out extra crisp with a crunch that actually lasts. Check it out now!